carrying food on his back alongside with his servant and going to the families to provide them with this relief. Abu Hurairah said, I accompanied Umar ibn Khattab and his servant Aslam all the way to Sirar. Sirar is a region that is somewhat far away. It's on the outskirts of Medina. So they walked all the way over there with supplies and food on their back. And Umar radiallahu anhu met with those families in Sirar outside of Medina, and he saw the difficulty that they were going through. They were surviving on eating the skins of dead animals. Can you imagine that? Hunger had reached such a level where they were eating skins of dead animals, and they were taking the bones of those animals and crushing those bones and making those bones into a powder and then eating that powder. This is the extent